phone is alive.
Okay, so we have this all tightened up here, and this allows us to swivel this clamp so we can make sure it goes exactly where we want it to. We also learned to put a nail here to really make sure this light is not going to fall off for some reason. Yeah. Gotta get it over it though. Towanda. Alrighty, so then we just plug it in.
Ooh, my legs got warm right away.
Right away.
Nice.
Okay, now get this chain out of the way. So at least now the birds, when we take this enclosure out, they'll have something familiar they can run to.
Yep.
And so we want to, speaking of running, we want to make sure that they don't get out of the main enclosure, but we still have to get this thing out.
Oh, okay.
Right.
So yeah, we are gonna build up the wall right here with the particle board.
Well, I would say let's keep a spot open to get the enclosure out.
Okay.
So, I would think that one.
I think it's too long, isn't it?
Okay. And then we're going to unplug. the
That's
other
too
one.
long.
No, well, for now,
Yeah.
I think it's perfect. All right, so first we take out the lamp, so we don't burn anybody.
Oh, babies can hear something's different.
Yeah, they're all just kind of, see, they're all, okay, and one is starting to sound a little alarmed, but, you know, change is hard on everybody. Now we're going to close this up, and the plan is to lift this up, so you're going to see some chaos. Yeah.
Forgot, I put the quick chick in and then I,
Okay, so we want to make sure they can find the water right away. Again, something familiar, same with the lights.
and put them near each other for that reason.
Well, and I don't know if they're going to want to come out or not. But we have these boards up back here to make sure they don't run out of the enclosure, because they're going to be freaked out. At least some. They all have their own personalities. So, all right, and this is really a two-person job. So,
Okay, 1, 2.
oh, there we go.
Oh, get
oh
off.
come on.
Hold on, she's not.
You gotta get her down. Baby is stuck.
Oh, baby, come here.
There. You can only hold this so long. So, okay. So, this is scary for them because it's me. Okay, some are already figuring out. No big deal. There's a light we recognize. Yeah, so we need to scoop all this out in a bit. And some are going to stay where it's familiar until they figure out, hey, we can actually start using those wings. We're practicing that.
Oh, look at her sit on this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a big world, isn't it? Come on.
Come on, babies. Come on, let's go. You're going. We are moving. Yeah. Come on, we're moving. Let's get past this. We are moving. Oh, okay. Thinking about.
Can't quite let go.
Come here, yo. There we go. Yeah, I know. But it's better over there. All right. So, yeah, it's not the cleanest job. Speaking of, the enclosure is going to need cleaning. But even more important, we got to get it out of here and get this out of here. So they're back to a clean pen. And one that's bigger, so they can now run around, because they've all been starting to run around now that they have wing feathers and a little bit of tail feathers. So we're gonna make sure they're staying warm, although the high today is 83. And they still need lots of warmth because they don't have all their feathers yet. Did you want to cross the streams a little bit? Because then we have extra warm if they need it.
This, yeah.
Oh, wow. Thought I had it tight enough. We'll turn it off before you work with it. Okay, we're back.
Fixing the issue. So
Yeah.
I got it. So they lined up really tight. So if that's too loose, that can fall on them, hurt them, maybe burn them, catch fire. Barn goes up in flames. Good day.
Just that.
So if you think something's tight enough, tighten it some more.
Yeah, make sure. So we are crossing the streams here, we call it. Make sure the cords are not touching the lamp. Hello, left side.
Yeah, but not, oh, I thought you meant that.
Nope, we don't want the cords on the lamp at all because it gets super hot. I would put them behind the nails. Perfect. So now they have the opportunity to get super warm should they need it. And once they get comfortable, they'll start moving around.
It'll probably be later because this was pretty traumatic for them. Aww. Hey, silly.
Yeah, see, not already. They're trying to get away from the double warmth, which is good.
But at least they have the option.
Yeah, and it lets you know they're actually a little too warm.
Cat. And just for the record, the cats cannot get at the chicks. Because our barricade is up.
Not the, yeah, and he's out wandering in the barn. All right, and this double measure, we don't want critters to get in here, so we close the door and have the latch on it. Now they got nice big area to run around in, which they'll appreciate soon as it gets warmer. And they got twice the food, about 3 times the water,
Yep.
and double the heat, so they're good.